Guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discussing with you, best free websites to watch anime in 2026. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So honestly, it's wild how much better free anime has gotten lately. So we've really moved past those sketchy pirate sites. And if you want the brand new stuff, as it's actually airing in Japan, you really have to spend some time on YouTube. Specifically checking out channels like Muse Asia and even Ani1 channel. So if you look at the comments on their community tabs right now, fans are absolutely losing it over the 2026 simulcast here. So they're streaming the 4th season of Re:Zero and Classroom of the Elite, plus massive new hits like the Witch Hat Atelier. It's all legal, high quality, and has that cool community feel since you can watch and the premieres with everyone else in the live chats, which makes it feel like a real event. Now, if you're in the mood for that old school cable vibe where you don't even have to pick what's on, well, in this case, Pluto TV is going to be perfect. Over on major streaming subreddits, so people often call it the best background noise app because it's 24/7 dedicated anime channels. Now, they're currently running huge marathons of the Shaman King reboot and Yashahime, so you do have to deal with some commercials, and some users on review platforms have mentioned that they get a bit repetitive, but it's totally free or free service, and the convenience of just turning it on and seeing what's playing is hard to beat. Now, for days when you're feeling a bit nostalgic here for the 80s or 90s aesthetic here, now you've got to visit Retro Crush. Now, it's basically a digital museum for vintage anime. Now, if you check out the reviews from longtime fans on specialized anime blogs here, they swear by this one because it's a curated legal home for gems that used to be almost impossible to find. Now, they've got these high quality remasters of old school favorites and that look better than they ever did on VHS. Now, it's a bit more niche, but it's easily the most respected spot for anyone who loves the classics and wants to avoid clutter of a massive unorganized library. And then we have Tubi, which is probably the most frequently recommended no fuss app in the entertainment groups right now. So the biggest proof of its value is that the sheer size of library with over like 200 titles as of this year. Now people really love that you can just jump in and start watching hits like Doctor Stone or Dorohedoro without even making an account here. Now, general consensus among users on, like for example, the App Store is that while there are ads, the interface is so clean and the search features are so reliable that it's usually the first place people check when they want to skip the subscription fees. It's ultimately safety net for your watch list. But in this case, that's about it. So for this video, don't forget to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.